Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again with a brand new video about Google Play Store. And in today's video, Google Drive, not Google Play Store. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can take the backup of your device on Google Play Store. So first of all, you need to download this application. The icon of this application will be like this. So you have to download the application from Google Play Store. If you have the Android mobile with you, then you need to download it from Google Play Store. Or you have the iOS device, then of course you need to download it from App Store. Okay, so the application icon will be like this, and it will be of 15 MB. Just download it from Google Play Store. After that, you need to open the application. After opening the application, if you have saved some photos and videos, it will be appear on your home. So I have saved these photos, right? So it will be appear there. And so how you can take the backup of your device? So you can boot your device or restore factory data reset. If you want to do the factory data reset, then you can use this application as well. Okay, so first you need to click on the three parallel line which will be available on the top left corner. Just click there, then go to the backup. Okay, just click there on the backup option, and you need to enable your data, or you have to connect your device with Wi-Fi high-speed internet. Okay, then it will detect your device automatically. So for example, I'm using right now a Realme 6i. So this is the model number of Realme 6i, which is RMX2002 backup, and I want to take the backup of this device. Then you need to click on the three dot which is on the right top corner, this one. Okay, so click here, and if you want to delete the backup, you can delete the backup. Okay, so I have taken the backup like you have to take the backup like this. Okay, just click on the backup and wait for some time. Let me pause the video so it will not be very long. Okay, yeah, so now you can see that I have 26 application, and call history I have 737 KB, and device setting is 49.9 KB. Okay, so these are the things which I can take the backup. Okay, so this is how you can take the backup through Google Drive. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned something new, how you can take the backup of your device before rebooting or factory data resetting your device. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, and for more amazing content you can subscribe our channel. And if you want to know more about Google Drive, then you can check out the playlist of Google Drive. Thank you so much and have a good day.